cat and a fox. So then I am going to make an origami butterfly. There's going to be 2 steps that are basically from the other video. So you have a square paper and you fold it into a triangle. And you crease it good. So then you do it the other way. And if you need help, you can pause the video. So then you have it as a captain's hat. And then you undo it. And then you can fold it like this way until it's like this. So then I made it. And then the next step that you're gonna do is pop it. Not like an actual pop it, but you should know what I mean. If you don't know what a fortune teller is, well then it's a little toy of paper that you make, and you can play with it and have numbers on it, and then you will like it, unless if you don't like fortune tells. Then once you pop the wings, the side that looks like a fortune teller should be only popped and look like this. And then you're gonna fold the 2 parts of like the wings. To where it looks like this. It's a miniature captain's hat now. Then this part's actually kind of tricky like that other one. You put the first layer of your one side on either side. You put the first layer, and then you put the second layer, then you put the same layer on the other side. Actually, it does look like a captain's hat now, but with ears. So then you fold this part backwards. Now that the little butterfly kind of has a captain's hat, it can also be a pirate. Well, more like a star. Okay, so then you fold it down. Mine's a little fat. But then you pop out the wings by folding it like this. Now it's a little butterfly. And if you keep on watching this video, then you can see me decorate the butterfly. So I like these smelling markers. They're called Mr. Sketch Scented. I got them from Target. So then they're actually really nice. They smell good, and I really like them. And plus, I'm gonna use them, so I don't really care if it's rainbow order or I'll just put them at the top. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna use is gonna be red or like a sunset or something. also, guys, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you could actually, that would be a great support. I'm doing like a sunset or something like that. Or a rainbow. My favorite is probably the blues or the purple. But I also like the pink and the cherry, which is red. Dropped it. It didn't want me grabbing it. Fruit punch. And if you haven't seen the rest of our videos, you should really see them because they are good. You can keep that part in. I'm just gonna do one wing so that it doesn't take like forever. So let's hope that the background person doesn't start laughing again. And I am done with this wing, and that's all I am going to do because it will take me forever to decorate this. So this is what I made. And it smells different and good. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other videos. Bye!